Okay, so the question is important question. It is this is number two. Question number two. If sin y is equal to sin y is equal to x into sine of a plus y, then then you have to show that it's a dy by dx answer is equal to it's a sine square of a plus y by sine a, sine square of a plus y by sine a. Exactly when do you have your exam? This maths exam?
29.
29.
Yes.
Okay, so here almost whatever we are doing, you are studying now at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, this given sin y is equal to x sine of a plus y. Okay, using this information we have to find out the value of dy by dx. तो एक काम करेंगे यहाँ पे अपन रिवर्स कर लेंगे इसको. It means this multiple term sine of a plus y, we can take this side sine y divided by sine of a plus y is equal to x. Okay, multiple terms we are going to take this side. So what do you say? I want to find out the different way, means reverse process करेंगे अपन. लास्ट में इसके आंसर को उल्टा कर लेंगे. You will get your required answer. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. normally we are doing, but ये क्वेश्चन में y करेंगे और जो भी आंसर आया उसको रिवर्स कर देंगे. It means we have to apply d by dy of x. ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? The reason behind it is here numerator is a term of y, denominator will also a term of y, means it is a function of y. D by dy of these two terms, this is sin y upon this is sine of a plus y, sin y sine of a plus y. So same concept, u by v rule, considering this term as u, considering this term as v. Now we apply u by v formula only. Okay, so let us apply dx by dy is equals to, according to the formula, denominator squared. So sine square of, like that, sine of a plus y whole square. V square means like that, sine of a plus y whole square. Here you will get sine of a plus y only, sine of a plus y. And now d by dy of, with respect to y कर रहे हैं, be careful, d by dy of sin y. Okay, sin y here minus sin y into d by dy of sin of a plus y. अब आपके एग्जाम इतने करीब है तो अभी भी कॉलेज जाना पड़ रहा आपको?
जी, मिड चल रहे अभी.
29 को एक्सटर्नल है इंटरनल है?
एक्सटर्नल है.
d by dy of sin y is cos y minus sin y as it is, sin y है ये, this is sin y, and d by ds of sin of a plus y, sin का differentiation cos of a plus y divided by It is square will take inside, that is sine square of a plus y. Now if you read this one, this is which form? This formula we know already, trigonometry में पढ़े, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Let me write here, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And here in our question, our a value we assumed as a plus y, our b value we assumed as only y. So it is the expansion of actually sin of a minus b expansion. Already trigonometry में formulas में दिया. So then it is equal to sin of a minus b. A value is a plus y minus b value is b only, divided by sine square of a plus y. It is the value of dx by dy. What happened here is plus y minus y cancelling. जो भी आंसर आ रहा है उसको उल्टा कर दीजिए, रिवर्स कर दिए तो dy by dx आंसर वी आर गेटिंग. रिवर्स करने के बाद में we get sine square of a plus y by sine a. This is our answer. You can see in our answer this answer. That's we got it. So like that we'll get the answer. Okay,
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस करिए अच्छे से. We have a very less
ठीक
time. ठीक है.
ठीक है. Okay.
Next question. Next number.
सर आप पहले के रिकॉर्डिंग भी नहीं भेजे.
हाँ है मेरे पास, सेफ है, भिजा देता हूँ, है मेरे पास,
जी.
सिस्टम में है सेफ.
ओके.
Y is equal to x power y. Okay, y is equal to x power y. Find dy by dx. Find out. That will be solution. जब भी पावर आएंगे ना आपके पास, so we have to apply log on both sides. Given y is equals to x power y. Taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log x to the power of n. This is log y is equals to log x power n. We write it as n log x. So y log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we apply dy by dx on both sides. dy by dx of log y is equals to, differentiate का मतलब dy by dx अप्लाई करना है, dy by dx of y into log x. So dy by dx of log x तो 1 by x होता, 1 by y है तो y चेंज कर देना वेरिएबल, dy by dx of y is equal to, here we apply uv rule. This we consider this our first term as u, this is as u, and this is as v. Apply the formula. First term as it is, and dy by dx of log x plus log x into dy by dx of y. Okay. So then it is 1 by
ओके.
y. 1 by y we bring that side. dy by dx is equal to, ये 1 by y उधर जाके y हो जाता, y रिवर्स हो जाता, ये y as it is. dy by dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. अब यहाँ नहीं तो उसको एक काम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, दो जगह पे dy by dx आ रहा ना, तो इसको इधर ला लीजिए, ये 1 by y dy by dx यहाँ पे पहले से ही है, इसको इधर ला लीजिए तो माइनस माइनस log x into dy by dx is equal to, ये y as it is, log x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by x. इन दोनों में से अब dy by dx अगर कॉमन आ गया, so we write it as 1 by y minus log x into dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to y by x. फाइनली ये मल्टीपल टर्म्स को उधर भिजा देना, therefore dy by dx की वैल्यू आपको चाहिए, दिस इज y by x वहाँ पे है पहले से ही है, रहने दीजिए, ये टर्म इधर आ जाएगा, इधर 1 बाई फॉर्म में आएगा, तो इसको अगर अपन 1 बाई फॉर्म में लिखें तो ये हो जाता 1 बाई वाई ये माइनस लाइक दैट. अब आप देखेंगे सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव के क्वेश्चन थोड़े, ठीक है.
Okay.
डेरिवेटिव ऑफ व्हाट डू यू से इट इज, टॉपिक का नाम है सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव में पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शंस को करेंगे. ये क्वेश्चन है नेक्स्ट पेज पे. The question is, if y is equals to a x power n plus 1 plus b x power minus n, then x square y double dash is equals to n into n plus 1 into y, n into n plus 1 into y. Solution. Here our given value is y is equals to a x power n plus 1 plus b x power minus n. Equation number 1. Double dash मतलब second derivative है. Now differentiate equation number 1. WRT stands for with respect to x. So differentiation of y को अपन dy by dx नहीं बोल के y dash बोल के नहीं देंगे, सेम मीनिंग है. ये तो कांस्टेंट हो जाता, मतलब dy by dx अप्लाई कर रहे हैं अपन फॉर दिस टर्म x पावर n प्लस 1 के लिए, प्लस b फिर से कांस्टेंट है, वी कैन पुल इट आउट, dy by dx of now x power minus n. Now the formula which is related to this is this one, x to the power of n. Answer is nx power n minus 1. Nx power n minus 1. Now look at y dash is equal to, this is a as it is. Here n value is n plus 1. So according to the formula we write it as n into x power n minus 1, n plus 1 minus 1 plus b into, again same story, n value is minus n here, x power n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 we can cancel here, this plus 1 minus 1 must be cancelled. So then y dash is equal to, if you want to continue this, a n plus 1 x power n, okay, plus into minus is minus, bn x power minus n minus 1. एक बार डेरिवेटिव हो गया, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 बोली. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट 2, Now differentiate equation number 2 with respect to x. अब y डैश का डेरिवेटिव दो बार करने से y डबल डैश हो गया. This is equal to a into n plus 1 till here it is a constant. Now again we apply like that. d by dx apply करेंगे x to the power of n के लिए. Minus bn is a constant. d by dx of x to the power of minus n minus 1. चलिए अभी डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. y double dash is equal to a into n plus 1 as it is. x पावर n का फार्मूला यहाँ अप्लाई होगा. nx पावर n minus 1 minus bn is a constant. फिर से फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. n x पावर n minus 1 और एक माइनस 1. फार्मूले का एक माइनस, पहले वाला एक माइनस. So then y double dash is equal to, if you simplify a n into n plus 1, we write it this one, and x power n minus 1 as it is. Now take minus common and multiply this minus. We get minus into minus plus n into n plus 1, and then x power minus n minus 1 is minus 2. ये y double dash वैल्यू आ गया. अब x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करें. Multiply x square on both sides. So we get x square y double dash is equal to a n into n plus 1. ये पूरा कांस्टेंट है, कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. x पावर n minus 1 as it is है, multiplying with n square x square plus b n into n plus 1 तक पूरा कांस्टेंट है. ये x पावर माइनस n है, माइनस 2 भी है, अपन x पावर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई x पावर 2. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप, x पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करें सो वाले टर्म्स ये है. यहाँ भी करें मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करें, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई. Now look at these two bases are equal, we can add these powers. Even though bases are equal, we can add these powers. So what happened to this problem? X square y double dash is equal to a n into n plus 1, and bases are equal, power should be added, n minus 1 plus 2 plus bn into n plus 1 x power minus n minus 2 and plus 2. So then some of the terms are cancelled, like plus 2 minus 2 cancel, and here 2 minus 1 is 1. So then if you continue, x square y double dash value is equal to a n into n plus 1 and x to the power of n. 2 minus 1 is 1, n plus 1 plus bn into n plus 1 and x power, what's left here, minus n. अब what do you say, what is the common, उसमें कुछ common आ रहा क्या? This is n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 is the common term in both of the terms, so take it out. X square y double dash is equal to, if you take it out, n into n plus 1 as a common term, then what's left here inside in this bracket? A x power n plus 1 left off plus b x to the power of minus n left off, which is nothing but, you can see our question, this value is y, this value is y. So then you can see this total value can be written as y. बाकी n into n plus 1 तो पहले से ही है, n into n plus 1 पहले से ही है, equal to पहले से ही है, x square y double dash. So this is the end of this problem. Like that questions will come. Okay, now see the next question. That topic name is called derivative of implicit functions. Derivative of implicit functions. Actually implicit function means फंक्शन के अंदर जो फंक्शन रहता डायरेक्ट फंक्शन नहीं रहता, फंक्शन के अंदर इरेक्ट और एक फंक्शन रहता, उस टाइप के फंक्शन को अपन a function y is equal to f of x defined as implicit function. In order to differentiate such functions, we differentiate f with respect to x, treating y as a constant. Okay, एक काम करेंगे, we'll do the question so that you can understand. The question is, if y is equals to tan inverse of cos of root x, find dy by dx. Cos of root x, find dy by dx. Look at the solution. फंक्शन के अंदर फंक्शन है तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, एक प्रॉब्लम अपना ऐसा भी ले लेंगे. Solution. Here given y is equal to tan inverse of cos of root x. Tan inverse of x का डिफरेंशिएशन आपको पता रहना चाहिए. You can see I am writing here for your convenience. d by dx of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So if you want to write this one of this form, you're looking at differentiate with respect to x. So then it is dy by dx this side. This is tan inverse of x differentiation is, यहाँ पे देखिए x के प्लेस पे ये पूरा cos of root x है, so 1 by 1 plus x square. X square means cos of root x whole square into inner function. इससे पहले अपन inner function का concept करेंगे. Cos of root x, this is 1 by 1 plus, the square will come inside, cos square of root x into d by dx of cos x is minus cos का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस cos cos का डिफरेंशिएशन sin sin into inner function dy dx of, सॉरी यहाँ पे आपको लिखना चाहिए sin of root x, और root x को अलग से करना है. This root x, so this answer is minus sin of root x divided by 1 plus cos square of root x into ये root x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by 2 root x, this much only. ओके okay? आप और एक सेक्शन लेने के लिए रेडी है, 2 दिन क्लास है ना.
Yes, okay.
हाँ, तो मैं आपको और एक सेशन लेके एक और एक टॉपिक है प्रोबेबिलिटी, उसके मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन बता दूँ. ठीक है, इसको अच्छे से
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस कर लो आप, एंड विल एंड अप दिस मीटिंग. एंड
Okay.
आफ्टर 5 minutes when I ask you join again, don't go anywhere. I
Okay.
have a time now, I can take one more class.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Should I leave now?
Yes.